Hi, we're here at the house. Just want to get some measurements down on film. So that's the first stud location. Second stud. Where are we? Third stud. Fourth stud. And the electrical box. Alright, keep rolling. Film is free these days. Alright, so here's the end of the wall, which is at 82. 78, the stud ends at like a little bit 8 feet. So this box currently is at like the 6 foot mark. Maybe a little bit. No, it's at 6 feet. So that box is 6 feet. They can move it over another, this is 1 3/4, 1.5 inches, but still at 6 feet. So this box is at 6 feet. We talked about moving the other outlets at 41, so they'd be above the sink. This outlet would be moved over to the other wall, 1 stud over. But I think at 6 feet, and we're currently at 78, right? 78 out of the, yeah, so 78 is like somewhere right about here out of the cabinets, which kind of makes it, floor. With a 2-inch filler, 78 be 80 inches. So we're right at that line here, I think, which is just about where that stud is. So if we take the filler out a little bit and make it a little bit smaller, we need to come in at 81. We need to subtract. Let's make sure we're on the wall here. Okay, so at 81 inches, 78, we're at 80 inches with the cabinet. And this junction box is, I think, 6 inches in length. Or 7. And 7 3/8. So it's 7 3/8. Let's work out those numbers. Bye.